Ever since we got our Dimplex Sierra, our house has become a home. Our kids, they gravitate towards the fireplace. It gives it a cozy, homey feel. Our 1-year-old loves the fireplace, and we know that it's safe for him to be close to it even though it's low. It doesn't get hot whether the heat's on or not. With my wife loving to decorate, Dimplex Sierra offers 3 options that come with it. No matter what the season, the fireplace always fits in. From the day we moved in, we knew we wanted a fireplace in our home. We wanted to choose an electric fireplace for sustainability, and when we found this one, we knew it was the perfect fit. So with the cooler nights, we find ourselves sitting around the fire as a family very often.